So to draw piecewise defined functions, I'm going to encourage you to draw each piece separately. So y equal x cubed plus 1, we just started talking about that. Basic graph of x cubed moved up by 1. So then we need to investigate what part of the graph do I want. I want where the x's are smaller than or equal to 1. So I'm going to take that point and I'm going to put the solution graph over here. So here's the filled in dot, comes down like that. Okay, that's the point 1. What is that y value? So in order to find that, I'm plugging in x equal 1 into here, and that gives me 2. So now let's go figure out what the other graph is. So y equals negative 2 minus x to the 2/3. So I'm thinking, I know what y equal x to the 2/3 looks like, right? That's the cuspy thing. And then if I'm to do negative of it, doesn't that flip it over the x-axis? Okay, so that looks like that. And then what is that negative 2? It shifts it down by 2. So you don't have to write all this. You can just be thinking about it. And so it looks like that. All right, let me erase this. We have room. Then let's investigate what part of the graph do we want. We want the part of the graph where x's are bigger than 1. So bigger than 1 is here and out that way, right? So here and out that way. What y value would that be? So I would plug x equal 1 into here. So I would get negative 2 minus 1, right? So that would give me negative 3. So that's where that y value is. So again, since this is a function, make sure it passes the vertical line test. And it does. Oops. All right, so, oh dear, it's giving me problems. I'm going to stop and start again.